Just the other day I posted a video talking about how you can do wildlife photography with your phone, and you absolutely can. But when you have one of these, you can do so much more. Check this out. We have, and I know I'm kind of dark, but we have a great blue heron there, and further back is a yellow crowned night heron. Amazing, absolutely amazing birds to see and get to photograph. And I'm telling you, with a big camera like this and nice size lens, you can get so much more stuff than you can get on your phone. Even if you add a lens to your phone, it's not going to be nearly as nice as this. So just want to put that out there. Nothing wrong with using your phone for wildlife photography, but when you're ready to step up, check out some of my videos I've got about the Nikon D850, which is what I'm shooting with here, and other cameras, as well as how to understand how to set the exposure and other settings on those cameras to make them work for you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.